Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 GMC Terrain SLE, stock number Z7907A. Only 62,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this Terrain brand new, Merlot jewel metallic in color. This Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. This SLE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, gauges with driver information system, tilt wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror, and that's where the backup camera display is. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. And approximately 50 to 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.